Hello, I am Arisura Kingsakunkeo, a student from Institution International Study of Ramkhamhaeng University. I would like to do a presentation about a study of Amazon online store according to the subject INB4103 e-commerce. How come Amazon become the biggest e-commerce company in the world? Amazon provides service online, retail shopping, seller enterprise. In year 2023 alone, Amazon has reached up to $35 billion and serve about 300 million customers using its platform. And that make Amazon is the largest e-commerce retail online shopping. Yes, let's look through those years and started and until 2023, how Amazon operate, and then we will look at what they have and what they sell, what products they sell, what service they sell, and then we'll look at the strategy, what bring them to become the biggest e-commerce company in the world, and then we'll look at their competitors who are threatened and can beat Amazon down. First, let's talk about how Amazon started. The founder is Jeff Bezos, along with his wife, decided to quit their job and start their business by selling books online in their own garage with the few workers working for them. By only a few years after 1997, May 15, Amazon public in the stock market. In 1998, Amazon get involved with music and entertainment and start selling CD and DVD online. These brought his stock market price up to $10. In 1999, Amazon released C-Shop, known as the Marketplace, and Amazon also released Kindles, known as electronic reading device, where for downloading books, magazine, news, article in year 2009. In between those years, the Amazon stock market price gone up and down rapidly. By the end of year 2009, Amazon price market is $88.79 US. In year 2012, Amazon invests $775 million on robotic company called Kiva. This helped Amazon improve their productivity by using robot and less human staff. In year 2013, Bezos bought the Washington Post for $225 million US from his own money, and this bought Amazon stock market price up to $354.38 US dollars. In year 2018, Amazon became the second largest company in the world that worth $1 trillion US dollars. And this year alone, Amazon stock market price reaches the highest point ever at $2,039.51 US dollars per share. On February 2, 2021, unfortunately, Jeff Bezos decided to reduce his role as a chief executive to executive chair, and he chose Andy Jassy, who worked for Amazon since 1997, to become CEO of Amazon company. Now, today, Amazon worth 1.7 trillion of global logistic and retail. Amazon stock market price significantly reached up to $3,397.77 US dollars per share. Now let's have a look at Amazon products and service. What do they sell and what service they provided? Amazon providing retail by offer Amazon Marketplace, Amazon Fresh, Amazon Wine, Wood, Merch, Amazon Handmade. With Amazon technology, Amazon has Kindle, Amazon Alexa, Amazon Fire TV, Amazon Phone, Amazon Prime, music, video. Now let's have a look at Amazon's strategies. What makes Amazon still stand strong as the biggest e-commerce business in the world? Let's have a look at their strategy, which has helped them achieve that goal. Amazon always put their customer in the central of its business based on what the customer wants and what they need. So Amazon come up with the program called Customer Review on its platform based on previous customer satisfaction, which is called personalization. This will help other customer can make the decision easily which product to buy. Amazon make it more convenient to its customer when it comes to pay with the payment. Amazon come out with one-click ordering system by using their last payment and shipping information. This is easy and more convenient to customer for their next shopping, where they don't have to give out the payment information and address information again. They can use one-click ordering system and everything will be there and save their time for the shopping. But in the meantime, this allows Amazon to collect incredible amount of their customer data. In year 2005, Amazon announced one of the most valuable assets, Prime Member Deal. This is a loyal program with 100 million membership sign up. This deal gives customer free 2-day shipping policy. They only pay $79 per year. This includes orders and streaming service. Not only that, it also includes movies and music for its Prime members. Another strategy that Amazon come out with is customer service, because Amazon concerned about their customer problems. It's normal that when you buy things online, things not always go the way you want it. Sometimes customer have a problem with the product or services that they bought from Amazon. So Amazon come out with customer service system where all the customer can reach to 24/7, so that customer can get their problem solved officially. Amazon also thought of their customer satisfaction by provide a easy return. Not only Amazon concerned about the problem, but Amazon also want to fix the problem where their customer happy and want to come back and continue shopping with Amazon in the future. Now let's have a look at their competitors. As Amazon is the biggest commerce company in the world, but that doesn't mean it can't be beaten. So here are the top 10 competitors who threaten Amazon. First, online stores. When people are looking to shop for particular and unique items, they always can find from a small online business. The advantage of a small online business that can compete with Amazon are quick response and unique. Next is eBay. eBay is another e-commerce marketplace providing an online selling platform. It's third-party sellers, and this is attract similar sellers and products to Amazon. Amazon also offer an auction sales with a fixed rate to its sellers. eBay is easy to use and has a quick sign-up program, where Amazon is more difficult and complicated. eBay also use only PayPal, where their payment system deposit money directly to their seller's account. Walmart is another competitor where Amazon cannot underestimate it. Even though Amazon technologies and experience is ahead than everybody, but Walmart has been around for 30 years. With its capital and customer base in hand, this make Walmart to be able to compete with Amazon. The top advantage that Walmart has beaten Amazon is gigantic of physical location nationwide. And this is mean you can pretty much find and buy everything from Walmart